Hey Valley homeowners, do you know when the best time it is to get your AC and furnace tuned up? Well, if you want to save $100, now's the best time to do it. That's why here at Rite Way, we'll tune up your furnace for only $59 and we'll do your AC for free at the same time. Plus, we'll do a free carbon monoxide safety check on your furnace, making sure that your system is running safely and efficiently and not leaking carbon monoxide. All for $59, saving you $100 today. And don't forget, we'll tune up your AC for free so it's ready for next summer. So click the link below to book today.